Hello guys, thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for visiting my video. Okay, in this video guys, I will show you how to download and install program of AVG Internet Security for your PC. So let's go and see how to do it. First of all, we will go to website Chrome browser and search your AVG Internet Security. Okay, after searching, we will go to this website avg.com and open this. Yes, Black Friday sale saved up to 60% on selected AEG product while and offer will be last until 8 days, 17 hours and 48 minutes. AVG Internet Free. Powerful protection and performance of your PC and beyond. Basic protection, full internet security. And you can purchase full version, pro version by $31. Uh, a powerful protection for PC and your the professional version is about $31 and basic version is free for your PC. Choose the right protection for you. Okay. Spyware, ransomware and other malware. AVG Internet free. Okay, this will. Yes, that feature will be available in free version and also will block unsafe links, download and email attachments. This will available in antivirus free and also available in pro unlimited version. Scan for PC performance problems and get real security updates. Block all emotes that were not available in free version. So these are the features of free version and pro version. One subscription, always up to date. Okay, we will go download free version from this website. Okay, thank you for choosing a video. So install it, download it. After this, we will open this show in folder. Start. Yes, AVG installer is going to be started. So the installation is started. So guys, in this video you can download and install AVG Internet Security for